Hi, I'm Desiree with Herbal Wise, here today to talk with you about an aromatherapy lotion recipe. And what you'll need for this simple recipe is 3/4 cup of oil, and it can be any oil of your choice, including olive oil. Today I'm using almond oil. A cup of water, about 2 tablespoons or a 1/2 ounce of beeswax, and an essential oil of your choice. And what you do is you add the oil to a double boiler on the stove and then add the beeswax. You will stir until the beeswax is fully melted, and then you will pour the oil mixture into a container, a glass container, and let it cool for a few minutes. Then you will add the water to your blender and turn it on at a high speed. And then you will slowly pour your oil mixture into the water mixture and add your essential oils. You'll know when to stop the blender because the mixture will thicken up. I'm Desiree with Herbal Wise, and this is Aromatherapy Lotion Recipe.